What's up, you guys? What's up? It's SkinnyBoyRandy video number 2. I'm going to release this tomorrow, you guys. I believe I might release it tonight. But yes, you guys, I have to fertilize my plants, and why not do it with you guys? I cannot do anything without showing it to you guys. You know that, okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome, you guys. I am about to fertilize my plants just a little bit. Okay, and I want to show you how to do it. A lot of people are like, when do you fertilize? How do you fertilize? If you're new to my channel, I'm sorry, y'all. I flipped over to the other script, which is in my head. Sorry. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. We love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I can't tell you how much I love you. Okay. All right. I just make a second video. I'm making a second video, okay? I want to show you the benefits of hydrogen peroxide. If you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the 2 middle fingers, okay? We love you. Your hydrogen peroxide, you might have it in your cabinet already. I'm not trying to promote nothing and get kicked off of YouTube, because I don't know. But yeah, you guys, you want to get your hydrogen peroxide. Yeah, you guys. And you know, I'm working on no sleep and no GP coming from work earlier. I made a video earlier. So forgive me if I fall asleep. Oh, excuse me. I won't sleep. All right, y'all. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 gallon of water. And this container is a gallon. So I'm going to take that. And I'm going to mix about half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. And this container has a line on it that shows me a half a cup. Okay? And we're going to pour it in there. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. You can't see me, can you? I'm going to pour the hydrogen peroxide into the regular water. Now, anybody dealing with brown leaves, you're wondering where this fungus coming from. What is going on? What am I doing wrong? They come from everywhere, you guys. They can float in the wind and land on your plant. You never know. And it's starting to rain out here, so I'm going to make this real quick, like I say. Okay. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I'm going to take this gallon of water that we just mixed. I'll load the hydrogen peroxide in. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it over the deck and stir it a little bit. You know, give it a little wiggle woggle. Like the washing machine. Yeah, there we go. And then what we want to do is gently water our plants at the soil level. Just put it on the soil. You don't have to put it on the leaves. Put it on the soil, not the leaves. Can you see me? On the soil. Yep. And I'm watering certain plants, you guys, because I've done this already, but I want to do this for you guys. On the soil, not the leaves. I'm going over here to the tomato. On the soil, not the leaves. Oh, on the soil, not the leaves. Yes, and just give your plants a little fertilizer. I only do mine maybe every 2 weeks. I don't fertilize every week. I ain't gonna lie to you. You ain't gonna lie, Greg. I don't fertilize every week because I ain't back on no money to keep buying no fertilizer. I ain't back on no money. I do it every 2 weeks. And sometimes I ain't did it at all. And they just do great. I love you guys. You are the best. Thank you so much for being here and chilling out with me. But yeah, you guys, that's how you fertilize your plants. Mix you a little bit of peroxide, some water. It'll kill all that bacteria that's turning your plants brown and all that good stuff. Yes. Also, try a 511. Try that. That's good for feeding your plants. And I'm going to do that in another video. But I wanted to let you guys know how to kill that fungi, that bacteria. Peroxide works just like it works for you. If you get a boo-boo, what you do? Put a little peroxide on it. And you see those bubbles? Yes. It attacks the germs. Yes. We love peroxide. Yes, you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You are the best. If you have not done so, live, love, laugh, grow stuff. I need that. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for being here. I'm going to bed. I'm going to get me some sleep. Okay, I love you guys so much, so much. I'm off this weekend. I'll show you something different. I got a surprise for you. I love you.